Are you ready to embrace the powerful energy of the Scorpio New Moon? Today, I'll guide you through 3 simple DIY rituals to help you align with this transformative energy for healing, manifestation, and renewal. Hi there, I'm SapphyreMoon, and welcome to Mundane Magickal DIYs, formerly known as Sekhmets Spiritual DIYs. Here, we blend everyday enchantment with practical creativity. On this channel, you'll find DIYs for household essentials, nourishing hair and body care, pet-friendly remedies, and magical products to enhance your spiritual practice. Today, we're diving into the magic of the Scorpio New Moon. Harnessing the energy of a new moon is an incredible opportunity for growth, but many people aren't sure where to start. Here's something you may not know. While many believe this new moon is in Sagittarius, the real sky tells a different story. I took a recording on my phone to show you on the app Stellarium, where you can see that the sun and moon are actually in Scorpio. According to constellational astrology, during a new moon, the sun and moon align in the same constellation, a phenomenon called conjunction. This alignment amplifies the moon's transformative energy, making it the perfect time for healing, release, and renewal. Don't forget to check the community tab for more tips and resources. To enhance your magical journey, I love sharing extra insights to help you deepen your practice. Let's explore 3 simple yet powerful rituals to help you align with the Scorpio New Moon's energy. I'll also highlight the mundane and magical benefits of each ritual to show how they can transform both your spiritual and everyday life. Ritual 1, Manifestation Jar. The mundane benefits are focuses your intention and keeps your goals tangible and organized. Magical benefits aligns your energy with the lunar cycle to amplify manifestation. I am using a small jar, which was a spice jar. So I recycled it, cleaned it out. And so this is what you will do. And so I am going to be showing you an example of how you can do this. So we will be using coins for abundance, rosemary for protection, and rose petals for love. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put them all together. And so you will see in a minute. I am cleansing the jar with an incense stick. And it's cinnamon. You can use any type of incense, spray. It's up to you. I am under the weather, guys, so I've just been messing up today as I was making this video. I just burnt myself right there. But I decided to put the coins in the jar and then use the incense as I say prayers. But let me tell you guys, this is not a real ritual. This is just an example. I am under the weather, and I wanted you guys to realize that it's best to always be in alignment with the constellations, and we are in Scorpio, not Sagittarius, and you guys saw that. And so the next item is rosemary. Rosemary is for protection, but it is for more things. I'm just showing you guys what you can do. So what I'm doing, I'm putting everything together, which you could, because this could be for you protecting your money. And then, the rose petals or rose buds is what I'm using. You can use that for love, but roses are not just for love either. So I'm putting in the roses, and but this could be just one ritual, or you can have individual rituals, or you can have one of each of these particular herbs or any herbs of your choice. I'm showing you how after you have all your ingredients, you can use incense or a spray or whatever you choose. You can use your breath, you can use sound. It's up to you. Everyone does their magic in different ways. No one person does it wrong. And don't ever let anybody tell you that. So now what I'm doing, I am smoking, attempting to smoke the candle. And like I said, these are just examples on how what you can do on a new moon ritual in Scorpio. And so I'm showing you how you can pray over your candle, or you can chant over your candle, or you can carve something in the candle. It's up to you. And so now you seal it. Now my candle that I'm using, it is not a drip candle. It's dripless. So some of you may see people, dripping the candle wax on the bottle, but in this case that will not work because it's a dripless candle. So I need to get a holder for it. I attempted to light the bottom of it, but it didn't work. Like I said, guys, I'm just under the weather. I'm not going to even put music on this, but I wanted to get it out because, it's December the 1st. It is the new moon in Scorpio. It's a very, very powerful energy, being that Scorpio is all about transformation. So this is one way for you to activate your manifestation jar. And like I said, it's only one way. There are many ways that people activate their spells. Now it's time for ritual number 2, essential oil for anointing. I'm using a 2-ounce bottle that I got from Amazon, but I didn't even put the Amazon link. I'm just not feeling well. And I apologize for keep saying that, but you can hear it in my voice. So the mundane benefits is to release stress and promote relaxation. Magical benefits is to enhance spiritual connection and strengthen your energy. That's just one way. But I am going to be utilizing this for dream magic. And we will be using patchouli for grounding, rosemary for clarity, which is great for dream work, and orange for uplifting energy. But like I said, you can utilize these in different ways. You don't have to use the oil that I use. The oil that I use was for dream magic. You can use olive oil, castor oil, jojoba oil. It doesn't matter. These are just examples. And so once you get through making the oil, and of course I poured too much, guys. You'll see I made a mess. You can anoint your pulse points, such as your wrist, your heart, or your third eye, while saying, I welcome transformation and embrace renewal. You can even do that in dream magic. Every time that you make magic, every time you create magic, it's your choice, it's your will, it's your intention, not mine. These are just examples or samples, whatever you want to call it. I'm wiping off the bottle because I spilled stuff all over the place. Now it's time for the patchouli, and patchouli is for grounding. Rosemary is for clarity, which is perfect for if you want to release stress or promote relaxation, and it's also great for dream magic. Orange is for uplifting energy. For example, once you clean it off, you can shake it and say, I welcome transformation and embrace renewal. And when you use essential oils in your carrier oils, it's best to let them synergize by letting them stay for 24 hours, and you'll be able to see if you like the scent. So I'm smelling it now and I love the scent. It's because I love patchouli. I love all of those, patchouli, rosemary, and orange, but it's going to smell even more better in 24 hours. Ritual number 3. Journaling for intention and release. The mundane benefits clears your mind, enhances focus, and encourages mindfulness. Magical benefits strengthens your intentions and creates a deeper connection with the lunar phase. And as I said, we are in Scorpio, not Sagittarius. And I showed you that already. And so on our intention page, I am writing the date, December 1st, 2024. New moon in Scorpio. And for example, I'm writing, I intend to embrace transformation, deepen my self-awareness, and align with my highest self or whole self during this lunar cycle. On my intention page, I focus on what I want to grow, transform, or call into my life during the Scorpio new moon. I keep this page as a reminder of the energy I'm working to cultivate. Moving on to the release page. I date it even though I will be destroying it with fire. December 1st, 2024. Release. Scorpio New Moon. Or New Moon Scorpio. I release fear, self-doubt, and any energy that no longer serves or never was for my growth. Guys, I burnt the release paper, but I almost caused a fire. I told you I am not myself. And I'm so grateful that it didn't. That's what you see. I've cleaned up most of the ashes. You see the ashes around the cauldron. But I released it, But like I said, this is only a sample. And please make sure that you just make sure you have a bigger container than what I had. These 3 simple rituals, creating a manifestation jar, anointing yourself with essential oils, and journaling, are powerful ways to connect with the Scorpio new moon's transformative energy. Each one blends mundane and magical benefits to help you align with your intentions and manifest your highest good. Thank you for joining me in exploring the magic of the Scorpio New Moon. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more mundane and magical DIYs. Let me know in the comments which ritual you're excited to try or how you plan to harness this lunar energy. Until next time, stay magical.